Exclaim. Hello. Earth Day is not a thing. Welcome to Chair's Table. I'm here to prop you up. I want to get into game modules or just modules on Basecamp and Logos. I've been fiddling around and noodling around with a game. So I want to see how far we can get using Claude Code and the new Claude design stuff. Okay, so it would seem so to point number one. Someone's asking for testnet tokens. And I'm not sure if you can even send testnet tokens via the CLI right now. Perhaps we can do a little bit of digging and see if we can find out how to go about this, if it's even possible. If it's even possible. So we have the docs repo. How do I want to just set Claude on this? You can definitely You can definitely inscribe messages. You can definitely send chat messages. Aha, okay. All right, this is how you can fund the account via the Oh, there it is. Haha. Read the docs, kids. To our dozen of viewers. Read the docs. Oh, you might not be able to see that. I found it. Now let's hope. Let's hope this works, huh? Man, this is gonna be fucking long. All right, bear with me, folks, as I'm gonna try to get this person some testnet funds. Let's see if this actually works. Okay, I need my address, their address, and a cup of tea. Sorry, I have my other computer. I'm running all this stuff on. Okay, so the command is wallet auth dash transfer. Send. That's fucking easy. Dash dash from and the account. Account type. Oh, public, I guess. Oh yeah, because there's public and private accounts. Aren't there? Yes, there are public and private accounts on Logos. Okay, so public slash me. And then to public slash. It's gonna take a second, but we're getting somewhere. This might actually work. I should just fire it and see what happens without. It's actually a good idea. That is actually a good idea. Hey, thanks for hanging out. If you want to use the chat, please do. Let me know you're there, as Paul Newman said. Let them know you're there. In the 1975 cult hit Slapshot. I don't know if it was 75, but it was a cult hit. It was called Slapshot, and it did star Paul Newman. You know, this always fucking happens. So stupid. If you guys heard that alert that came through. I didn't even check what it was. Maybe it might have been something. Might have been something serial. It was annoying. I bet that's the point. That's definitely the point. All right, let's see. I need this recipient. All right, dash dash amount. Wallet command not found. All right. Do I need some finagled package? No matter. It's okay. Now I am even more curious. Ah, okay. Oh, the Rust toolchain, logo boxing, circuit files. All right, I think I have Rust. Yeah. Let's assume that I have all of this. And risk 0? Holy moly. It's gonna be a whole thing. Whoa, what is that? Why would you do that? Why would anyone ever do that? That's so not cool. Holy moly. I'm sorry. That was not pleasant to the ear. Yeah, I could just run a node. Like I could run a node on this machine. I just don't want to. It's a little bit resource intensive. Not crazy. Then I can do this stuff right here. Ah, okay. Yeah, we're gonna stick with the original plan. But I'm glad that we took this journey. Ah, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. This would work. Oh, that's way better. All right. All right. So, what did we learn? Let's track our lessons learned. Number 1, LEZ token fund requires running the LEZ sequencer, which I don't want to do right now, but looks fun. Number 2, there is no number 2 right now. All right. So this is done. Now, we are on to demo game design document. Perhaps the most fun part of all of this, I think. Let's get out of here for a moment. I used to have a mantra that I would repeat to myself. You're not going to do this in Vim. You're not going to do this in Vim. But lately, my mantra has been, let's just do it in Vim. You know? Because why not? All right, let's go back to the plan here. So eye on the prize. Demo game, design a document. All right. So I have an idea for the game, and I will describe it here as best as I can. And I do already have this. I have this written out somewhere. So we'll find that. Basically, the game is called Brick Breaker, but it's not what you think. It is a fist breaking bricks like this. Okay? It's a clicker, and it's just a fist doing this. Breaking bricks. And there's game logic and functionality that corresponds with this. So let's take a look. I have it saved somewhere. But do you get it? Brick Breaker is. Thank you. Design spec. There it is. V5. Looks good to me. I think this is it. So let's go now here. Design spec. That's a lot of design spec. All right. So the game is I don't think we need all of this. So single browser game, single page browser game. Okay. This is the first thing. So this design spec that we need to call it something else. Let's call design spec to design spec pre logos mod. Okay. And we might need to switch to context for a second, but okay. Oh man. You know what? I'm going to look for something else here. You're breaking my bricks over here. Here, I'll show you this while I search for something else. I used the where the fuck did it go? I have a demo of the game ready to go, but this is like super early versions. But it's not bad, to be quite honest. I don't really, well, the hand doesn't look like a hand, and the rock has no purpose. But there's some winning features here. Okay, here we go. So we'll make a Vim game functionality. All right, so this is what the game does. Play area is a fixed view box, okay. Level, brick progress, score. Oh, I'm not sharing the thing. My bad. Uno momentito. Okay. Play area, blah, 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 HUD strip, okay, center play field, hand-holding brick with a rock below it. No, the rock needs to be the rock. The brick rests on a rock mantle. On a rock mantle. There's a kitten spawn zone, a treasure spawn zone, a particle layer, and there are a number of assets that are defined that I already have defined. I'll share those in a moment. So essentially, the game starts when you first start breaking bricks and it never ends. The hand goes up, the fist goes up, it goes down. There's an algo that governs the state of things. We'll go to the design. Area here. I want to show you all this. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to show you this. I'm going to generate a new design all new design assets for whatever we come up with here as we change it. But those are all the corresponding assets that go along with it: the hand, the rock, the kittens, the states of the bricks, the crumbling of the bricks, what happens when a brick reaches 0 HP, what happens when a kitten comes out because the kittens come out of the brick. It's basically all here. Now what we're missing from here is the logo stuff, but I'm not even going to worry about that. So I'm going to copy all of this. And I'm going to go to the Claude design area. If I can even get there. Aha. All right. So I kind of like this hand, actually. Kind of like all of these. But we're going to do a brand new project. I like the asset showcase. This is the, oh, nice. You know what? Why should we mess with? This is great. Let's run with this. So I generated this earlier and it came out pretty well. So we have the color palette, all the different states of the bricks, even the little granular broken up bricks, a demo of the hand, These are the different treasures that a player can earn. These are the kittens. And I think I have all of these. Hand, the font, particles, treasure, kittens. Yes. And I have the corresponding JSON. Does the hand? Yeah, the hand is. See the hand. Update the hand.json to reflect the most current hand.png asset. Should I be using sprites instead of PNGs?
I tag your mom, I'm your store, thanks support, you're a
Is it done? No changes needed. Well, all right. All right, so I'm going to download all of these. And then we're going to start feeding the one-shot stuff. Oh, we got to do a little unzipping of the zipped directory. Oh, God. All right, hold on. MV public. No. What is it? It's client public assets to here, please. Thank you. And then LS1 assets. Great. Now, RMRF assets. No, client. Great. Oh, right. Oh, the sheet is a sprite, or the thing is the sprite, or the sprite. It's a sprite sheet. Something like that. Okay, so now, what does our plan look like? The design document of the game exists. It's exactly as I described earlier. It's just a fist doing this. Down onto bricks. It gets harder and harder to break a brick as you progress through the levels. The treasure becomes more valuable. Now, we want to turn this into a Logos module. And I'll show you Logos Basecamp real quick. It's still very nascent. It's still very new. It's version 0.1.1. So it's not the most feature-rich thing yet. However, you can build modules right now. It takes a second to load still. So Logos blockchain is in testnet v0.1.2. You can run a node via the command line. Claim testnet tokens. Oh, I might have frozen up, which is dangerous. Oh, that's what happens. We're gonna test this on another computer, so it goes down. All right. But we're far away from testing. Ignore. So I want to build a game module for that app. And the game functionality is done. The design assets are done. As we have seen. So we're constructing the one shot. Okay. We are constructing the one shot command. Now, what do we need to keep in mind? Game functionality. Game functionality should be in line with. Oh, yeah, hold on. Even before that. General Claude instructions. I'll show you what that is. I have a very special command for Claude Code. And then we go context. And for context, we go all. Oh, let's go with, yeah. Logos.code, GitHub org, Logos Basecamp, repo, Logos blockchain, GitHub org. The Logos functionality. Oh, I guess these are the context sources, but yeah, we don't have to. We could just do it for that. We can just give it also. There are the helper repos, which are Logos scaffold. Oh, but there's a better one, or not better, but there's a dev boost. And there's like a Logos AI skills. Logos dash AI skills. Cool. All right, so then we go vim one shot dot md and all right, let's save this for now, and then we need to go cd cat Claude code instructions. That's not how you spell Claude. Code instructions. These are the instructions. Always follow these instructions. Think before coding. One shot. Think before coding. This addresses wrong assumptions, hidden confusion, and missing trade-offs. Simplicity first. This addresses overcomplicating and bloated abstractions, surgical changes. This addresses orthogonal edits, touching code you shouldn't. Follow goal-driven execution, leverage through tests first, verifiable success criteria. So, now everything else from there. So let's go. You know what? Let's just open up this for now. All right, and plan. Boom, boom. So, okay. I don't actually want to keep a plan document inside the same thing I'm going to open Claude in. So, I also don't need this anymore. Fire one shot, results debug exclaim. Okay. So I'm going to move plan out of here. All right. Examine the game functionality. game functionality defined in game functionality .md. The objective of this query is this is not a coding project. The objective of this query is to construct a one-shot command that will be fed to Claude Code. Same thing game functionality defined in game functionality.md. Research github.com/logos-co and github.com/logos/Logos Basecamp, your primary resources for building the game as a module for Logos Basecamp. Update oneshot.md as your final output. Do not create any new files. So let's break this up a little bit. Boom. Boom. So this is not a coding project. Examine the game functionality, defining game functionality there, there, and there. Boom. And then we also need research github.com/logos.co/devboost. What is the actual Logos Dev Boost? And GitHub Logos AI skills is the other one. AI-skills. To inform how to correctly build a Logos module. Update one shot as your final output. Okay. But we also want to include in the one shot specific instructions to generate step-by-step detailed instructions for a user to load the module into their local Basecamp application. What else? What am I missing? What am I missing? I think that's good. Let's see what happens here. What models am I using? That's funny. Well, we'll see. There's too many curls. Oh, it's creating a lot of skills, it looks like. It looks like it's really cooking now. Once this command is ready, and we will be inspecting the command, I'm going to switch over to my other machine. In fact, I'm going to do that now while we're cooking over here. All right, so boom. Oh, it's there. Okay, so then There's my blockchain node puttering along. So I'll work up there once this is ready. Just lots of devices, you know. This is Chair Stable. Thank you for propping me up. It's been a while since I've been streaming. I will be doing more of this as we build more and more things on top of Logos. Building on top of Logos. That is the name of the game. So on the left there is Claude Code spinning up a one-shot command for a game module that we're trying to build. The game is called Brick Breaker, but not the one you think. In parentheses, not the one you think. It's still incubating. Oh, okay. Okay, I see what you want me to do. Well, my connection just completely fucking. Oh, that's not what we want. Sad when that happens. All right, we're okay. We're moving. We are. I suspect. Let's see what one shot says, but we're gonna have to review this anyway. All right, so. Define in there the spray atlases. JSON files name each frame with its pixel rectangle. The code must look frames up by name, never hard code coordinates. Okay. Read first code scan. Pure QML UI app, that's good. I like this. If any of the above cannot be confirmed, stop the report. Reference material. Yep. What is that, low res? What do you doth linketh? Oh, that looks like absolute shit. What the fuck? Why is it? It's kind of cool. Flores, what is the thing that you just showed me? Because I don't want to get too sidetracked, but tell me the Shakespearean thing. UI QML. So far, I'm seeing everything. Hard rules distilled from those repos. The only manifest is metadata JSON at the module root. Every field. Okay. Snake case. Okay. Okay. Flake.nix. Okay. Botslav loves that name. I hope this looks right. Okay. Out of scope. What to report at the end. All right, so I'm gonna need this one shot. And the game functionality and the assets all over there. Okay, so boom, here's the one shot. And then we need game functionality. And then the assets. Can I just move you over? No. Hey, that zip would have been useful. Hold on. That's funny. Restore. And it's back. Now I can move it, right? No, son of a... All right, now we're gonna move over to the other machine. So let's see what happens. Oh, word. I mean, yeah. All right, I'm gonna try to do a very precarious thing right now, and I don't know if it's gonna work. Do one precarious thing at a time. All right, we have successfully done it, which, oh, what the hell? Why is it doing that? Oh. All right, so now that I have all of that, all right. Is it there though? Oh, that's funny. Uh-oh. That's so funny. All right, now it should be there. All right. Now, which is which, I wonder? Cat message. I guess. And message that one. That's the one shot. Okay, that one is the one shot. So we go MVU to one shot dot text, I guess. And then we go MV message that one to game functionality dot text. And we gotta unzip the unzippables. Wow, this song sucks, dude. What the kidding me, dude? I will take a look later, Lores. Send me that in like in a DMable somewhere. It looks interesting. Okay. Have I unzipped the thing? No, I have not. All right. I think we're ready to go. Let's do a quick one shot one more time. Just see what it's. Oh man, I don't have the comfy colors now. I mean, we reviewed it earlier. We liked it, right? All right, here's the funnest part. Execute one shot dot text. Kobe. It's already unzipped. Just find it and move on. Proceed with B. It's starting to get to the meat of it. And the fun part is going to be loading this bitch in. Let's see how stable the latest release is. So let's actually look when the last release for Basecamp was. "14 hours ago, 9 hours ago, 10 hours ago, 7 hours ago." Thank you for sitting at Chair's table. I'm here to prop you up. Looks like we're getting towards the end of this one shot, and we are building a game via Claude Code for Logos Basecamp as a module. Logos Basecamp runs natively on whatever machine you're running it on. And I have it installed on this machine, but I don't know what version. It's not the latest, so I'll probably have to reinstall it, but it's not. It's just literally downloading the app image. And I'll need to load these files that are conglomerating together via Claude Code. I'll have to load those in and then hope that they load. So the last time I was playing with it, it did not play nicely. So let's see. This was yesterday. So, but things move fast. There was a commit between. There were 2 commits between the last time that I was playing, or 2 releases rather. Not numbered releases, but like pre-release version. So I'll try the newest one and see what happens. I can see the chat if you want to chit chat with me. Feel free to do so. I'm live on YouTube and Twitch and X. Chair's table on Twitch, but very comfy. VRY CMFY. Everywhere else. Peak Hill Knicks build. What happened? Why? Knicks build didn't work. Okay, so there were some failures. Let's see. Nix runs standalone preview midway through fetching the multi-GB logo standalone app Qt6 runtime. Each attempt got killed by the turn level timeout. Run the standalone preview. Next event should be QML parsing inspector ready or an error. And that monitor is really monitoring. Oh, it's building. It's building. Yeah, it looks like that output is not good. Huh, no tab complete? What? Okay. Oh, I like this. Nix build dot hash LGX. Okay, so now I should be able to run Logos Basecamp. I don't even see it in my directory though. I guess I do need to. Alright, so I'm going to Logos Builder Hub. Basecamp. I want the latest. Okay, it has loaded. So now I need to download the LGX package. as such. As such and thusly. Now alright, let's hope nothing breaks here. Alright, better. Uh-huh. 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 Install. Oh man. No, we're close. I'm trying to load the module into the UI, but no dice. Let me try something else. Well, unfortunately, we are not breaking bricks, and I don't have much fuel in the tank left for a debug sesh. So, looks like we'll have to do a part 2 to this. I can show this. Let's see if I can show this. So for those of you who have patiently been waiting, this is the final result. This is what it's going to look like, but inside Logos. Do you see the glory? Do you see the glory, Larry? All right. Be good, everyone. Thank you for sticking around, and I'll see you very soon.